Big wave season is open in the Atlantic, where a solid swell has green-lighted the TUDOR Nazare Big Wave Challenge. Big crowds as ever lining the iconic cliffs here, and some of the very finest athletes from the world of big wave surfing. We're underway here, and plenty of action going down right now. Skis buzzing in the lineup, trying to pick the eyes. Bonner up in the backhand attack. Shumbo is off the rope and on a wave. Wow, look at this one. It's just beautiful. Drawing that water up the face. The bottom turns committed and smooth. And then the panache to throw in style and some speed. And that is exactly the kind of energy we expect from Shumbo. Wow. Absolute bomb. Then just going so fast. And looks at a section here. Antonio Laureano, absolute bomb of a wave. And here's the pickup in swell that we've been anticipating. Kosher bomb. Wow. Absolute massive wave. We've got a big looking wave, really solid. Here we go, attacking. Nice hard carving turn. And off the bottom again, Andrew Cotton just laying into it. Absolute bomb. And hanging on there, scooting to the bigger wave we've seen throughout the events. Really aggressive line, and it's smooth and it's attacking.
That was beautiful.
Shell, and it's a bomb for her. Look at this wave as she's absolutely flying. Beautifully done. Wow. A big bomb there. That's Pedro Scooby